How to invite members to your team in Monday.com. So, the first step is open your web browser such as Chrome, and then make sure to go to Monday.com and then sign in with your account. Once you have signed in with your account, you should go to your workspace like this one. So click on it, wait for it to load, and then you should make sure to click on Invite found on the upper right of the screen. So right here. Once you have clicked on that invite, then you should enter the email of that person that you want to invite. So again, you may enter the name of that person or enter the email of that person. So you may choose invite or invite everyone at your name right here. So if you want email, type in your email right here, hit invite and tell them to accept the invite that you have. Also, if you want to invite everyone, then hit invite and then there you go. So that's it. That's how you can invite members to your team in Monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.